Hello, in this video I am with the ASUS ROG Phone 7 and I'm going to show you a few camera tips and tricks. So first of all, we are going to start from the photo mode, and when we are right here, we are able to use the volume buttons. Take a look. When I click on the volume up once, I can take a photo. When I'm going to click and hold it, I can record video. And it's the same for the volume down button. Take a look. Okay, next we can move for our camera preview, and when you click on the screen once, you are able to adjust brightness level manually by moving the sun icon up and down. You can also do this automatically by tapping on the screen once. When you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can do this for sure by tapping on this presets, but can also click and hold on one of it and then enable this slider. And as you can see on this phone, we can zoom in to the 8 times. We can also take a look for the zoom feature on the camera, on the video mode. And as you can see on the video mode, we are able to zoom in to the 4 times. When we are right here on this photo mode, we can also use this shutter button, and we can click and hold it, then move our finger right here and remove. And right now, as you can see, we don't have to hold this button anymore, and right now we are recording the video. So it's basically the quick shortcut to record videos. We don't have to switch to this one, we can just click right here. And when we are on the video mode, we are also able to adjust the quality of these videos. So as you can see on this phone, we can even record the 8K videos. But for me, it will be the best to hit the 4K and the 60 frames per second to get very smooth video and also the good quality. When you click in this place, we are able to open other things. Like for example, we can enable flashlight, change aspect ratio of the camera, or adjust the HDR. But when you open the settings, you can find other useful options. As you can see, when you enter for the aspect ratio, we can find 4:3 for the 2 times, but the first one it's set up with the 50 megapixel mode. So thanks to this mode, we'll be able to get more details on our photos. It's the high resolution mode. So take the photo with this mode, then we are going back for the normal 4:3, and we're gonna check the difference. So we are gonna make the comparison. Take a look right now. That's the photo taken with the normal mode, and it looks really good. Good sharp image with some details, as you can see. But when we switch to this 50 megapixel mode, you will find that we can spot definitely more details, especially when you take a look right here on this white arena, and we can also zoom in definitely closer. When you go back to the settings, we can find other options, like for example the touch shutter. So you don't have to click on the shutter or volume up or down button, you can just click on the screen, your phone will automatically catch focus and the photo will be taken. When you scroll down, we can also, for example, turn off camera shutter sound. And when you go for the volume keys, we can switch them to the zoom feature. So take a look how it works right now. Instead of taking photos with the volume buttons, we can use them to zoom in or zoom out in any modes. You can also click once and you will also zoom in or zoom out. Next, we can go for the more modes where we can find, for example, the night mode. So when you are outside and there's like no good lighting condition, I will recommend you to use this mode to get a little bit more lights on the photos. So hold your phone steady, catch focus, take photo, and you will definitely find a little bit better looking photos on the night, on the bad lighting conditions. So for me, that's all from the tips and tricks on this device. Thank you for watching, hope you like it.